Vybz Kartel's legal team has just made a jaw-dropping move. They filed a habeas corpus application to the Supreme Court, demanding his immediate release along with 2 other men. Can you imagine the drama unfolding in court? The application was filed on Monday, and it's got everyone talking. Vybz Kartel, Shawn Shawn Storm Campbell, and Andre St. John are all in the mix. Kahira Jones, though, seems to be in a league of his own with a separate legal tangle. Now, for those not in the know, a habeas corpus application is like the ultimate legal power move. It's basically saying, hey, prove why you're holding us or let us go. Talk about shaking up the legal scene, right? But here's the kicker. Vybz Kartel's lawyer, Isat Buchanan, is keeping tight-lipped about the reasons behind this bold move. He's dropping hints about handicaps caused by events of nature, leaving us all hanging on the edge of our seats. And guess what? The court's not wasting any time either. They've set a date for further deliberation on May 29th and 30th. Will Vybz Kartel and his crew walk free? Or is there more drama yet to unfold? Now, over to you, Gossip Squad. What do you make of this legal showdown? Do you think Vybz Kartel will finally taste freedom? Or is there more trouble brewing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.